Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome to the ultimate Schedule 1 tips and tricks guide. Let's turn you from a street rat to a Highland Point kingpin. Very, very fast. Ready? Let's roll. Tip number 1, grab the trash grabber early. Scoop up junk by dumpsters and sell it as cash for trash bins for a quick startup cash. Every dollar counts. Tip 2, snag a free baseball bat at the basketball court. Smash ATMs for fast money, but leave one untouched for later. They respawn every few days. Tip 3, save often. There's no autosave, so hit that intercom by the door or light switch. Trust me, losing progress hurts worse than a bust. Tip 4, don't overcommit. Say no to deals if your supply is low. Use the phone's map and journal to stay organized and avoid angry customers. Tip 5, sell during curfew for a cash bonus. Cops are out from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., but they're easy to dodge. Stack that late night profit. Tip 6, get a golden skateboard. It's faster than cars for deliveries and weaves through traffic like a dream. Save cars for storage later. Tip 7, hire workers ASAP. For $200 a day, they handle planting, packing, or cleaning, freeing you up to scale your empire. That's it, guys. Trash, bats, saves, smart deals, curfew runs, skateboards, and workers. Your shortcut to running Highland Point. Now go build that empire and stay one step above the law. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Schedule 1 tips.